Hello, hello, hello. This is Tiffany with Healthy Passions. If you do not know me, let me briefly introduce myself. I am a certified personal trainer, certified wellness coach, certified energy healer. By birth, I am an oracle prophetess and a natural healer. Today, we're going to do our Herbal Friday with Healthy Passions, and it's going to be a quick video. I want to get this out the way because I do have to be on time for the live on TikTok. I hope you don't miss it at 3:30 today, and I wanted to make sure that I'm on time for that. It's going to be on TikTok, but if you can't make the live itself, I'm probably going to post the message on YouTube as well. So let's get started. Today we are doing lemon balm. Lemon balm is a perennial, okay, pronounce that, member of the mint family with valuable healing properties, sometimes called common balm or balm mint. It is naturalized in North America. The lemony scent that is released when you walk through the patch of lemon balm is a very lovely scent and something just to keep in mind. All right, so the edible uses. The leaves are edible and often used to make tea and as flavoring and ingredients. It makes a delicious tea for medical or culinary use and is enhanced by the use of raw honey to sweeten it. Medical use, lemon balm leaves are often used as tea, extract, tinctures, oil, or ointment. Relieves anxiety and insomnia. Lemon balm acts to reduce anxiety and helps people get better sleep. It calms the body and improves the mood and intellectual performance in children and adults without negative effects. For reducing the effects of sleep disorders, especially during menopause, try a combination of lemon balm and valerian. Lemon balm helps stop the constant flow of anxious thoughts. It also helps with ADHD and mild depression symptoms. Mind calming and clear thinking. Lemon balm seems to calm the mind and allows people to think clearly. It increases mental alertness and promotes positive attitude. Antiviral effects. Herpes, cold sores, and shingles. Lemon balm is known as an antiviral and is effective against herpes and cold sores when applied directly to the skin. It acts against the herpes simplex virus, and when used regularly, people report fewer outbreaks and fast healing of existing lesions. It also gives a relief of symptoms like itching and burning. Try lemon balm essential oil or lemon balm ointment on herpes and cold sores. Apply several times daily or as needed. For shingles, take a tincture internally as well as applying topically to the affected area. PMS symptoms. Lemon balm reduces symptoms of PMS, including cramping, anxiety, and headaches. It works well for PMS in teens and adult women. It is an antispasmodic. Protects the heart. Lemon balm used regularly lowers triglycerides and improves cholesterol synthesis. Sorry about that, guys. Synthesis. It controls heart palpitations and lowers blood pressure while protecting the heart. It controls the electrical pulse that drives heart palpitations. In I can't pronounce this, guys. I'm going to try my best. Arrhythmias. It's tracheodyas. Yeah, I'm going to spell it because it's hard to pronounce. The first one is T as in Tom, ACHYCARD as in dog, IA. The second one is A as in apple, RRHYT as in Tom, HM as in Matthew, IAS. All right. So, protects the liver. Lemon balm protects the liver from some of the negative effects of the American diet. It supports the liver's production of antioxidants and helps detox the liver. Antibacterial and antifungal. Lemon balm oil has a high level of antibacterial and antifungal activity. It is particularly active against yeast infections. Candida, excuse me, yeast infections. Use lemon balm oil tinctures or extract twice a day. Diabetes. Lemon balm oil tinctures and extract are effective in preventing and treating diabetes. It helps control blood sugar levels and protects the body against the oxidative stress caused by diabetes. Anti inflammatory and antioxidant. Lemon balm oil acts as an anti inflammatory and antioxidant. It reduces inflammation in the body, protecting against disease and reducing pain. Fights cancer. Lemon balm has been shown to kill some cancer lines, including breast cancer, colon, colorectal cancer. I can't pronounce that. Sorry, guys. I'm having a hard time breathing because of my allergies, so I'm going to start that sentence over for you guys. Lemon balm has been shown to kill some cancer cell lines, including breast cancer, colorectal cancer, and aggressive brain cancer. Lemon balm supports the body in fighting cancer cells, regulates the thyroid, hyperthyroidism, or an overactive thyroid benefits from regular consumption of lemon balm. People with Graves' disease or other overactive thyroid problems find that the oil tinctures or extracts help regulate the thyroid's binding problems. Aids in digestion. Lemon balm extract protective has a protective effect on the gestational system and prevents gastric ulcers. It aids digestion and is useful in treating constipation as well as colic. I had no idea about all this stuff from lemon balm, so I'm really impressed. I'm not done reading yet. There's still some other symptoms that it helps with, but so far I am highly impressed with this. I want to look into lemon balm. All right, so Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Lemon balm extract is believed to reduce damage from plaque forming proteins in Alzheimer's disease. Regular administration of lemon balm extract increases cognitive function over time and reduces agitation in Alzheimer's patients. The therapy is not a cure, but it is not a cure, but is observed to slow progression and help promote mild improvements. As as an as an antioxidant, it may help protect the brain from neurodegeneration and oxidative damage. Lemon balm also improves the memory and problem solving in people of all ages and health levels, including Alzheimer's patients. Heals skin and reduces signs of aging. People use lemon balm on their skin to People that use lemon balm on their skin report that it reduces wrinkles and fine lines, giving the skin a more youthful appearance. It is particularly beneficial in supporting the skin against minor blemishes and infections. Okay, so when there is a warning, I do say that. So after this harvesting section, I am going to give the warning, so pay attention. So harvesting, left alone, lemon balm may take over the garden. Several bouts of pruning, keeping the plant in check. Clip off stems or remove individual leaves for drying or on screens. Okay, so do it in like a dehydrator or hang them in bunches just to dry. It grows, I guess, very fast, and it could take over your garden, so you have to kind of tend to it. Um, the writer says that they like to harvest it just before the plants flower, early to late summer, somewhere in there. All right, so the warning. Lemon balm is considered safe for most people, but it should not be used by people on thyroid medication or under active thyroids. Consult a medical professional before using lemon balm regularly if you are pregnant or nursing. Possible side effects including headache, nausea, bloating, gas, indigestion, dizziness, and allergic reactions. Okay, consult a doctor if you are taking other medications or planning to a surgical treatment. All right, so as I state in all of these videos, I am not a doctor. However, I am a person who loves herbs and I love to study and research things about them that are beneficial for the body and for health and for healing. So all I do on these Herbal Fridays is present the herb. So it is your job as the listener to research these things extensively for yourself and also work with your doctors and nutritionists to make sure that any of the herbs that you choose to use are not something that's going to interfere with your medication or health conditions. Also, you want to check to make sure that you are not allergic to the herbs. So I'm going to go ahead and post this one. I'm really excited about it because it has a lot of great benefits. So there you have it. Have a great day.